Okay, first thing to make it easier, clip in all your seatbelts, otherwise you'll lose these buckles and have to fish them back through afterwards. It's much easier if you've got a seatbelt attached. So just clip those in, save you a bit of trouble. Now, around about here, if you feel there's a tight spot, a little bolt or something, that's where the clip is. Just grab under there and pull. Same thing on the other side. Oops, sorry. And pull. That's it. The whole seat. Just now, a little bit of, you won't go too far with these buckles in, but that's it. The seat's now loose. So you can undo those. Just be careful, because as you pull the seat further out, those buckles are going to sink back down into the seat. They're attached on there. You can feed them back through, but it's much easier to not have them go all the way in. So you can fish out your potato chips from the previous owner and get it nice and clean in here. To reinstall, yeah, and the easiest way to do it is to have these belts clipped in. That's just the reverse of removal. Oops, clip that belt in. Clip that belt in. There are two wire pins in there that should line up under these little metal tabs, if you can see those. So you lift it up at a bit of a steep angle, make sure it's all aligned. You won't need to use your knees. Push that back down in, and then you can lever it down. I'll make sure it's secured at the back, and we just push down and clip in at the front. Push down, clip in at the front. Oop, so it's not back far enough. There we are. And that's it. And just make sure your belts didn't get twisted during that process. You know, when you're moving the seat around, the belts might get twisted up. Otherwise, that's it. Seat cushion out, seat cushion in.